Rylee Smith. Wow, what a way to, giving up a 16-point lead at three-quarter time, and he came back and found a way to win.
Mm-hmm. My team's very good. Very proud of them for being this far and just working together.
Man, and you're gonna have another tough one coming up Thursday night against Marquette.
I think so. It's gonna be a tough game, but we're gonna win it.
Yeah, it's even if it's here in their building, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think the key to the game? What do you think the key to the game was tonight after you lost that 16-point lead?
I think it was just working with each other and just building each other back up, and gaining some points.
I mean, you have a pretty important role in the team this year, I believe, right?
Thank you.
No, I mean, what would that role be?
Do what?
What was your role in the team this year?
Mostly guard, point guard sometimes, but mostly wing.
Yeah, you came up with had some big possessions on the stretch there. I know that.
Mm-hmm.
And you guys found a way to hold them off and win the game. Survive in advance.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you'd like to say?
Just really proud of my team. We're working together. If my team wasn't here, we wouldn't be able to do it.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.